Hi guys, welcome to the first edition of Duck for Luck Scratch Cards. It's a new YouTube channel. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting scratch cards Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and whatever we win, one of you subscribers is going to get it. You just have to leave a comment below, and then there's a little twist at the end, and then we'll race off. There's the clue. We'll race off to see who wins the cash every night. So it might be £2, might be 50 quid, 20 quid, £1,000. Whatever we win on the scratch card, then a subscriber will win. Obviously it's the first show tonight, so obviously there's no comments, there's no one to put in to a winning circle. But what I have done, last week I did some for charity, and whatever scratch cards won with, sent it out to charity. So everyone that commented on them videos, I think we're about 20, I've put them into a hat and they're going to race off for the money tonight just to get us going. But if you comment, make a comment tonight, and all you need to comment is duck, then you'll be in for the Wednesday's scratch card show. So just comment duck down below and your name will be in the hat for Wednesday. So I will get my lucky hat on, which has not been very lucky last week for charity. And we're going to start off with my old favourites. Yes, fingers, diamonds. Oh yeah, Kent, friend of mine, Kent. There you go, Kent. Our first ever tournament I won in Las Vegas. So that's my lucky one. That travels with me on every tournament. So I'm going to use that to scratch the cards off. So it's down to you now, Kent. I've done my bit. You need to get them fingers across. Right, come on. Let's start this. Let's rock and roll. Everybody see them? Right, come on. Let's get these diamonds. What am I doing now? Yeah, it don't matter, does it? We're just doing with scratch. Scratch off tonight. See if we can get any money. Get some diamonds. No, Kent. Kent. What are we on here? Fingers. Nope. Four, 10, 40, 10, we need another 10. Come on. Oh. No, not down there, is there? 4, 10, 40, 10, 1, 40. Rubbish. Look at this. There we go. I've got 10 of these cards tonight, so hopefully we're going to get at least one winner. No diamonds. Come on, diamonds. Fingers. Nope. 5 bag. 1,000. 4 quid. Come on, another bag of sand. 40. Oh, we need a bag. No, rubbish. Not a good start, is it, this, guys? Not a good start. Right. Diamonds. Come on, let's rock and roll. First win on Duck for diamonds. 2 diamonds. Come on, got 2 diamonds there. Diamonds, diamonds. Yes, we've got some money to play for tonight. Come on. Fingers. Surely it can't be a fingers as well. No. Alright, come on. A score. Oh, come on. Let's get another 40 quid. A great start. $20 or $40. Oh, I thought it were 20. 20, 40, 40. Right, come on. Diamonds here. Let me see that one. Diamonds. 2 quid. 2 quid. At least we're playing for 4 quid. Right, multiplier. Come on. A win's a win. 4 smackaroonies. 4 quid. That'll fire that off. 4 quid there. So, get rid of that. Right, come on. We're on a roll. Right there. Come on, fingers. Nope. We got out. 40, 40. Nope. Nothing there. Alright, come on. Diamonds are forever. Come on, diamonds. No, a double bubble on that. 4 quid. Sure, we're going to get more than 4 quid. Nope. 40 quid. Come on. And a 40 or a 5. Rubbish. Rubbish. Yeah. Also have a look on Twitter, guys. I just started the Twitter account, and that's Duck for Luck 22. It'll be here somewhere on screen popping up. Duck for Luck 22. So get on there, follow that. There'll be a bit of info, any specials we're having or anything a bit juicy, we'll put on there. Keep you guys informed. The diamonds are coming in tonight, guys. Come on, fingers. Let's get a fingers. Nope, no fingers. $250,000. That'll be a great opening, won't it? Oh, jeez. What we got there? 2000s. 5 bag. So we need 1,000. 20 quid. Nope. So we're on the diamonds. Come on. 2 quid. It's better than nothing. Come on, let's multiply this. Nope. 2 quid. What have we got left? 4. 4 left. Come on. Diamonds are forever. No diamonds here, guys. No. Rubbish. £4. Quarter. £2. £2. Come on, let's get another £2. Keep it. What's that? Oh yeah, I think that's a tenner. I think that's another tenner. Is it? I'm sure that's a tenner. Win 10. It is. Find a note or whatever it is to win a tenner. Awesome, we're on fire. Especially we can multiply this. I'll be happy with a double bubble. Come on. Ooh, still nice though. Still nice. Come on. Might be the lucky chip count. The lucky card protector there. Might just be doing the trick. Right, come on, let's get another diamond. Right there. Nope. Fingers. Come on, fingers. Nope. One, 4, 2. 100, 100. Ooh. 1 or 200. Nope. 142, 121. Nope. Alright, come on. 2 left. Let's see what we can get here. What are we up to? 10, 12, 16 quid. 16 quid. That's a nice pickup. Nice pickup for somebody. Diamonds. We're back on the hunt for diamonds. Anything there? Nope. Fingers. Come on, fingers. Nope. 5, 4, 1. Come on, let's get another one. Another bag of sand. There's going to be a bag in it. Oh, I thought that went. Yeah, that was close. Right, there guys. Last one. We're sat on 16 quid. Right, come on. Is that on screen? Diamonds, just to finish us off. No diamonds here. Fingers, fingers. Come on, fingers. Ah, rubbish. No fingers. No fingers tonight, guys. 5 bag. 10 spot. 20. Quarter. Quarter. 100. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So, what I'm going to do from Wednesday is, at this point, I'm going to, whoever comments, duck, I'm going to put the name on a generator, a random name generator. I'm going to pick 5 names out. Then we're going to have a duck race. and whoever wins a duck race wins the money. So, because, like I said, it's the first night, let's just get rid of this, and there's our duck race. Right, I've got this sorted now. Hopefully we've got a bit of music on here as well. So come on, let's see who's going to be on Wednesday night's draw. I've already got 16 smackers towards it. Let's go. Oh. Right, cool. What's we got now? Prim is on the inside. Jeff sneaking up on the inside here. Subiri's loot. Don't know who that is. Subiri's loot. Oh, get Eric storming up the top there. Metal. Where's Pimmy going? Pimmy's going backwards. Princess is going backwards. With your snorkel on. All just evening out. Look at Trigger. That's our champion. That he won the charity dash. Oh, we got Golfing Chef sneaking in there, making a move. First time we've seen him tonight. We're just halfway through now. Kent's there, stuck at Kent with Deerstalker on it, pipe. Subiri's loot still over in there. Kev Casper's just holding on here, and the Kent's just holding in the middle as well. Golfing Chef. We've got Paul the Punk Paul in pink. Bloody hell. Who's this? Kev. Look at Kev with cigar. Oh, Kev's coming out in the lead now. We've got Jeff storming on the inside. Bloody hell, Jeff, where are you going? Golf Nuts there, he's off to a wedding by the looks of things. Kent's still there. Look at this. Oh, there must be a dozen. Lights have gone out. A dozen. Kent's there. Oh, is Kent going to hold on? 13 seconds left. Kent's just got a nose at who's coming up here. Golf Nut. Can't be Golf Nut. Golf Nut slotches everything. Look at Golf Nuts there. Oh my God. Golf Nuts is going to hold on. He is. Sneaky sausage dog. Bloody Golf Nuts. Right, Lee Golf Nuts. In the draw, you get 2 ducks on Wednesday night. That narrows your odds down, Lee. So we've got this, Lee, plus whatever you win on Wednesday night. 2 ducks in the race. So you've got a good shout there. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Just get the ball rolling. A bit rusty this week. We'll just see how things work out. I'll decide what we're doing as we're going on, see which works better. But all the dosh will go to you guys. So it's a bit of fun, especially at duck race. I love it, I'm going to be honest. So yeah, all links, everything will be up here. Don't forget, duck. Just comment below, duck, and you've got a chance on Wednesday night. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.